Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So today I have come up with Firdaus printed lawn collection. Alright. So total 18 designs are there and these designs are available in multiples. Without wasting any time, let's start the video, and the first design of today is, see, so this is going to be the first design, peach in color. Alright. मैं आपको इसको पास से भी दिखा देती हूँ so that you can understand the printing and the color. 3 meter is going to be the fabric of shirt. All right, 2.5 again bottom and dupatta. So see, this is going to be the, यही है ना, नहीं उस साइड से. See, these are going to be the sleeves. See, these are going to be the sleeves. These are going to be the sleeves. ठीक है. Now here comes the front. Here comes the front. All right, ये front है and ये front का border है. ठीक है. Now next comes the back. ठीक है. बहुत सूदिंग, एकदम काम, समरी टोन, समरी फीलिंग प्रोवाइड करने वाला कलर है. बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है. ठीक है. Here comes the plain bottom and this is going to be contrasting dupatta. See, such pretty contrast they have provided, and these are guaranteed originals with proper stamp. See, beautiful contrast. All right, so this was the first design of today. Let's move on to the second design. See, now this is going to be the second design. नहीं sorry, design is same, the only difference is of the color. ठीक है, जो मैंने अभी आपको डिज़ाइन दिखाया ना, it is same design, the only difference is of the color. ठीक है, डार्क ब्लू कलर है ये. All right, everything is same design and all, the only difference again I am saying is of the color. See, now these are going to be the sleeves. ठीक है. Next you have the front. This is going to be the front, and next comes the border design. All right, so this is going to be the overall front. Now next we have the back of the shirt. As I said, everything is same, the only difference is of the color. ठीक है. Now here comes the bottom, and this is going to be again contrasting dupatta and amazing contrast, bottle green का contrast they have provided and it's looking pretty. So those who are fond of darker shades and darker colors, उनके लिए this is perfect. See, this is going to be the dupatta. Now next move on to the next design. See, now this is going to be the third design of today. Again pinkish tone, beautiful design. ठीक है. See, these are going to be the amazing sleeves. See, amazing pattern of sleeves, very pretty. Let me show you. See, printing and all is perfect. This time though bandhni print is introduced, but again Firdaus never fail to impress the audience. They have again introduced amazing patterns with amazing color contrasts. ठीक है. See, now this is going to be the bottom of the, border of the front. Next let's move on to the back, and back is again perfect. See, now beautiful back, beautiful color tone, everything is on point, and fabric, you are aware of the quality of Firdaus. It requires no introduction, it requires no verification. See, I've shown you the bottom, and now here comes the dupatta. दुपट्टा बहुत ही प्यारा इन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया है. This I'm going to open and show you. See, fancy होता है. See how amazing the dupatta is turning out. Excellent color combination with excellent fabric quality. ठीक है. So this is going to be the overall look. All right, let's move on to the next design. See, now this is going to be the fourth design. ग्रे इन कलर, ठीक है। ये भी है ना इधर, सही है। See now, these are going to be the sleeves. All right. Now let's move on to the front. See, this is going to be the front. So again I'm saying ये grey और bottle green जो होता है ना, dull bottle green, it is a combination of two colors. So it is bottle green at the top and greyish at the bottom. ठीक है. I hope you are able to see the contrast, how it is turning out. ठीक है. Now here comes the border and now let's move on to the back design. ठीक है. This is going to be the back. ठीक है. ये back का print आ जाएगा, overall print of back. ठीक है. Next comes the bottom, plain bottom, and here comes the dupatta. See, all right. Again, dupatta is also in two colors. As I said, it's same like the shirt. All right. So this was the fourth design. Let's move on to the next design now. See now, this is going to be the next design. Purple shade. I have only 8 designs left in Firdaus. These are available in multiples. So maximum designs got sold out, as I said earlier, through Instagram only. So वो Instagram पे post करने पे maximum designs got sold out, and now I have only 8 designs left. So these are the sleeves. All right, print of sleeves. Next comes the front. All right, this is going to be the front design. Printing of front. Moving on to the border. This is going to be the border design, and now we have this beautiful back. ठीक है, inspired by the front. ठीक है, front की तरह ही back they have provided. Now let's move on to the bottom, and here comes contrasting again in two dupatta is in two tone. We have this green and purple tone dupatta. बहुत refreshing color है. This is also very refreshing. ठीक है, and as I said, stamps are provided on the shirt as well as on the dupatta, and all are guaranteed originals. You need not worry about the this originality. All right. So this was the fifth design. Let's move on to the next design now. See now, this is going to be the next color. It's very beautiful. See now, these are the sleeves. All right, now let's move on to the front. This is going to be the front. All right, this is going to be the front. Color is coming a bit dull. ठीक है, इतना डल नहीं है कलर. कलर इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. ठीक है, जो कहते नहीं ब्राइट साइड ऑफ बेज कलर, सेम एज दैट. तो इसमें कलर बहुत डल आ रहा है. इट्स लाइक टू टोन डल. ठीक है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द ओवरऑल फ्रंट, एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द बैक. कंप्लीटली प्रिंटेड बैक, बट अगेन विद अ स्मॉलर प्रिंट. Bottom, and here comes the contrasting dupatta. Let me show you by opening it. See, this is going to be the dupatta. ठीक है, contrasting dupatta, very pretty, elegant, बहुत ही अच्छा combination it is going to turn out. ठीक है, let's move on to the next design now. This is going to be the second last design of today. See, जो कलर शो रहा है एग्जैक्टली वही कलर है. नो डिफरेंस इन कलर इज देयर. ऑल राइट, बहुत ही प्यारा शेड है. See now, these are the sleeves. ठीक है, these are going to be the sleeves. ठीक है. Now let's move on to the front of the shirt. This is going to be the overall front. ठीक है. And next comes the border design. ठीक है. Moving on to the back, here we have the back print. Plain bottom and soothing dupatta. It's very pretty, very elegant. See, this is going to be the dupatta. All right. So here we have the last design of today. Last color and last design. ठीक है. Same color as you are able to see in the video. Contact details I mentioned on the screen as well as the pricing. Alright. COD we are not offering as of now. No COD option is available with us. So sincere apologies from our end. We are not offering COD as of now. See now. These are going to be the sleeves. Now let's move on to the front of the shirt. This is going to be the beautiful front followed by the border design. So this is going to be the border design and here we have printed back. ठीक है, और ये आ जाएगा इसका border design. ठीक है. Now here comes the bottom and this is going to be the dupatta. अच्छा, I forgot to show you the stamps. आज मैं stamps नहीं show कर पाई हूँ. So don't worry about the stamps. You will be provided stamps only, suits with proper stamps. All are guaranteed originals. You all know we don't deal in replicas. All right. So all are guaranteed originals. This is going to be the dupatta. दुपट्टे को एक बार मैं open करके भी आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, so that you'll get a much better idea about the design and printing. See now, this is going to be the overall printing of the dupatta. Dupatta is pretty, so is the shirt. The amazing color contrast these people have provided this time. Firdaus, every time they bring out this floral pattern, but this time कुछ बांधनी के साथ they have played, and this has turned out amazing. Alright, so these were the total 8 designs of today available in multiples. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.